Alright, welcome everyone to day 3. Here's our first couple of days, and of course the chain, which is, I'm very pleased that it seems to be going smoothly. It's operating smoothly as it should. I was a little worried getting in the routine, figuring that out was all part of getting it there, but okay. I've of course got everything laid out here, pre-sanded and pre-waxed, so everything is just ready to go straight into assembly. And they're both 34s, so I'm paying attention to now after that debacle on day 1. Go through there. You want to hear? Okay, simple enough. And okay, I'm trying to see. Which one is that? That's yeah, the one with all the gears and stuff, whatnot. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. So our chain goes onto this sprocket here. In theory, there it went. And then our other sprocket goes into this one, this end. Down into, it's got a place to seat it right there. Yeah, there went. And make sure they are facing the other way, because I just put them on upside down. Glad I glanced at the instructions. So take those off, turn them over. We want the hooks going down below this thing. Yep. Then we put our other sprocket in. Of course, it went much easier the first time. Into its seated position. And we got, yeah. Let's see, is there any? Good. Yeah. Thought it might be enough. I think I put too much attention on it if I try and do it from the middle one. Okay, but that's, or maybe that. This may be upside down. I'm not sure which way it's going to go, but I think you see the basic principle there. Now we bring this side. So, seat them onto the sprockets of these, go into there. Everything lines up perfectly and cleanly, and gotta go and go right in the first try. Start in the middle, maybe. That one to seat. Alright. Where's my poking stick? Slide into that. And you got it. Fitting right there to snap on. And that actually did seat in where it was supposed to, so I think. Oh, no, I hadn't got this one in yet. Alright. And on the other side, all seated. Now in theory this should, yeah. There we go. Got our chain drive ready. And it's working, and the sprockets are spaced properly. All right, I feel good about that. All right. Set that there for the moment. Oh, is there any? Okay, hang on. This has got. Well, I just saw where I made a goof. Okay. I think. Yeah. How much trouble would that be to get back out? Okay. See if I can. Where do they connect it? There and there. Just get that one piece out, maybe. Maybe. Nope. I've got to. Undo all that. That's the way. That's not snapped together. Here's this one. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, it won't go from that. If I do, no, that won't work either. Basically, the break in there is on backwards. This piece should be flipped over. So it shouldn't be a tremendous issue to get it to come apart, I don't think. Poke and stick in here. Here. Okay. That's okay. Yeah. Now I think I can fix that. Yeah, that's all it took. Okay, not as bad as I thought it would be. Now I'll get this thing to line back up again and send it to my. Okay, there's the brake assembly. Sprocket in. Sprocket in. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now make sure I did that. Yeah. That's. So that, now you can see how this lever pops right into place, and that'll stop us from rotating it the wrong way. It'll only go that way. We try to go that way, it locks us out. Excellent. I'm glad that wasn't too traumatic of an experience. Though I'm not sure. Did I get all the... Okay. Okay. Time to quit playing with that because it's fixed now. Alright. Now we get to make... I recognize this one from the spiral hoist. It's going to be the hand crank. And then just put the other end. In theory, it's going to pop right into place. Or not. Alright, well, that wasn't too bad. Excellent. And these guys go in together. And these guys double up on probably the longer end. And you go through here, and the little one goes on here. Hello, Morgan. What are you doing back here? My dog has come to visit. She's giving me the evil eye. She wants to go out and play. Give me about 10 more minutes, alright? Okay. Let's see here. Now this one going here. And that goes on there. And we got ourselves, well, I can keep it properly spaced down here at the bottom. Yep, a functioning crank. Nice. And like I said, we're locked out. Can't go the wrong way. Excellent. Now we got this guy. Nope. Trying to get the orientation right from the picture. Okay, yeah, like that. These guys here. Nice and snug-ish. A little more snug in here. It could be snugger. Okay, maybe not. These guys go down on the bottom. Okay. This guy with the top onto these. Whoop. Should have done this before I did those other pieces. Yeah, okay, that worked. And this guy, hold him like that, just like this. Yeah. All right, making some real progress now. Okay, so this guy doubled up and 49. That's the one with the notches in it. Goes on first. The other way. Yep, there you go. Go all the way down. Nope, you stop there. And 51. Go on next. Yep, all the way down into that one. Get the gear on here, and then the one with the decorative notches, or the decorative semicircles there. And there, alright. Now this one, trying to figure out this orientation. It's so... So like this. goes. Oh, other way. Like that. So it's going here. While I'm here, let me go ahead and just a little wax there, because that seems like it's going to be rubbing on there. Spread the wax out a little bit. Okay, and we take this one, like this, goes in like so. Into that one. Alright. Yeah, according to the picture, we're supposed to be able to see those things right there, so that's good. Alright. Let me... How many pieces in the next? I think I'm going to call it there today. I've sort of lost track of how long I've been on here. Is it? But maybe it was a quick one. I can't remember. Thanks. The repair seems to make it took a little bit longer. I am pleased how far we're moving along here. Always like getting motion. Ooh, I can get it to stay in, like I say, in alignment. I think that's going to look cool with marbles in it. Alright, I'm going to stop. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.